Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to generate a QR code link to an Instagram post. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Instagram app. Then just open up some post. You can find a post in your Instagram feed in that way, or you can hit at your profile picture to see your posts. Then you can select any of them, and now all you have to do is right here tap at three dots icon, and at that toolbar you can easily find that QR code feature. If you don't see this feature here, it probably means that you should update your Instagram to the latest version, so you just can open up your App Store or Google Play and then just search for Instagram in that way, and after that, if this button says update, just hit on that to install the latest Instagram version. After that, you are able to create a QR code link to any Instagram post. Just tap at that QR code, and the QR code has just been created. You can select any color from suggested. I like that one, and after that you can hit at save to camera roll to save the QR code to your photo gallery. After that you can open up photos, and then at recents you can find that QR code, and then you can share it using any messenger or website, or you can add it to your YouTube video or wherever you want. I'll show you how to share it on Messenger. So let it be WhatsApp. Just open up WhatsApp, then get into some conversation, hit at plus sign, then select photo and video library, and then just check mark the QR code and hit on send. That's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.